The kids made a rowboat and they are hunting for sharks.
Hey, Sammy, do you want me to go get your money? You can have your money now. I want my money. I'll go get it.
And now they've switched to getting their pennies that they earned today. They get them after dinner and they earned a bunch today.
So cute.
They've been very good.
Okay. We buy all this money. We're going to eat the sharks. But probably not all. We're going to probably get some of it. Okay, let's... This is the last thing we need to do. Okay, let's start rowing.
You guys seen any sharks yet? Oh, and they shoot the sharks from the rowboat. And get them up. And take a picture of it.
Baby! Baby! Baby!
And then what do you do with it, buddy?
Huh?
Then what do you do with it?
Well, we'll probably give it away or keep it. But we're always going to keep it.
Cool.
Oh, I found an alligator. Sammy, look after the alligator. Bring it in. Baby Dickie.
What do you do with those pictures?
Well, we're going to show them to other people. We're going to give them away and let them look at our sharks. Like the hammer one, and the real shark, and the alligator.
Cool.
Are you done with the video?
I'm just kind of taking it and watching you guys. I think you're very cute.
Oh. You okay, everybody?
That's
You
a.
want me to open that?
You know what I think, guys?
What?
I think that you picked that sword and that lightsaber to be your paddles was a very good idea.
What?
It's just really, really smart. It shows that you know how to do this. I'm impressed. Sammy, did you help with that?
No.
You just got the boat out, didn't you?
Yep, you got the boat out.
That's very good.
But we're going to put the anchor in properly. Wait, I'm going to have it.
Oh, they gotta go get the anchor.
Somebody should help me.
What's wrong, baby?
Mom,
Oh, yeah. Oh, you did it!
So you can put this in.
Let me think about it.
Put it on here.